Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your phone and confirming you have the admin PIN or password available. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Security or Biometrics and Security, depending on your device. Make sure to tap Device Admin Apps or other security settings to list apps with device administrator privileges. You need this screen to identify the app to remove. Don't skip it, because only from here can you revoke admin rights before uninstalling. Keep a calm pace and follow each tap. Now you must revoke the app's administrator rights so you can uninstall it. Select the app shown as Device Admin, tap Deactivate or Disable Admin Privileges when prompted. Read any warnings. Some apps manage work profiles or device features, so you understand what will change. If the app requires a corporate account, remove that account first or contact your admin. Once deactivated, the app no longer blocks uninstall. You'll return to the app list to proceed with removal. After deactivation, go to App Info for that app and choose Uninstall or Remove. Follow on-screen confirmations. If uninstall is grayed out, restart the device and try again because a restart clears transient locks. If it still refuses, boot into safe mode to prevent third-party apps from running, then uninstall from App Info. One key troubleshooting tip: if corporate policies block removal, contact your IT admin, because remote management can reapply admin status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.